let's try this for like the 29th time, shall we? Welcome to Lost in Stupid Garage, hosted by me, where you'll get another stupid project each time. Sometimes they're not so stupid, but hey, life is hard, but it's even harder when you're stupid. Or you do stupid things, how about that? Today we're working on Project Going for Broke, 08 Hummer H3, affectionately called GFB. This, for anybody who owns a Hummer H3, will recognize it. It is the master control switch from the driver's side.
These Chinese bulbs do not last at all. It's really sad, folks, that they break so simply. Yeah, it's really sad. Yep. See, now the top comes out easy, but not the bottom. You want to be extra careful with this because it can snap this really easy. Hard to believe, folks, but we're back to the front again. The new light bulb I put in just not too long ago already petered out. This is what I mean about the lights do not work long. Yep. I've tried LED, I've tried incandescent. They just don't hold up long. If I get Sylvania or Philips or something, but usually I buy a generic brand on the web. Be it the Jungle Store, Flea Bay, whatever. And this really stinks that I'm already pulling this all back apart. But it's not an uncommon thing to have trouble with these lights. Not for me, anyhow. I seem to have quite a bit of trouble with them from time to time. And at a point, I just give up and solder boards and lights because they get to be, well, too much. And I'll just give up and solder everything in place because it's ridiculous that you got to go through this much nonsense to try to get the boards and circuits and lights and stuff working. So we're back to the kitchen, obviously. And we're going to tin these. And your mileage may vary, folks. You may not need to ever do this, but for some reason, here in the Rust Belt part of the country, I don't know why it is, everything gets really cold and then it won't connect. I've noticed that with my 07 H3 Happy Hummer. They're both about the same mileage, 1 year apart. Each of them has approximately 100,000, a little bit more. Maybe 103, 104, whatever. And I've noticed that as they've aged, stuff does not connect any longer. It causes a lot of issues. First tested one of them to make sure it was going to work. I'm now going to solder the other one on so you can see it. It's not that hard to do, folks. Nope, ladies and gents, this is not hard stuff to do. May seem like it, but it's not. Of course, normally most folks won't solder theirs on. I do. Eventually you kind of just surrender and give up and realize that it's not working any other way. Because otherwise, I have had to literally take my doors apart or the circuits out of them multiple times just to get them to work because the cheap bulbs that are manufactured don't fit right or they just don't work right or whatever the case may be. I'm trying to nip off any extra stuff that could get pushed into the circuitry. And that should be good, I hope. Hope it is. Now I would love to be able to just pull the next switch out without taking the entire back door card off so I could get my day started. But I don't know if that's going to work, dudes. Or dudettes. I don't know. Okay, so we do have part of the circuit still there. I see it. Alright, that kind of pushed it inward so it doesn't get caught on anything. That way we buried it in solder, it won't be sharp then. That's good. And I don't want a bunch of sharp stuff sticking out that could short on something. That would be very, very bad. Alright, I'm just hoping this works this time because it didn't work the first time. They worked for all of a few days, like I said, and then they failed. Go figure. It gets frustrating after a while. It really does, folks. It gets frustrating after just a little while when the circuits fail, and it's usually because, like I said, inexpensive, low-grade bulbs. So let's put it back together, shall we? So like I said, we're back on the front one because I'm having trouble with it. Yeah, I'm having trouble with the front one now. I have gone through this many times on my 07, as I've stated, where I'll put bulbs in, and a few days later, or weeks later, all the bulbs are out. So, I can take the solder off if I choose to, but de-solder them, I guess. Alright, so this was just a detour. I was trying to do the back doors, folks. That's all I was trying to do. That's it. And if they don't work, then that means that GM did something to the circuit, in which case maybe somebody will chime in and tell me if GM did something to the circuit to make them not work. And there we go, we got the first switch in. As you can see, that's the mirror switch. White to white, blue to blue. Blue, white. Here we are, all plugged in. There's the back side. There's the pocket it's going to go in. Now we're gently going to take it, and we're going to fit it in like so. And then we're going to push down, and you can see where I'm pushing. And that's it. That's all she wrote, folks. Okay, there we go. We got it back in. Whoops. That shouldn't have pushed out. That's weird. What if it works? And there they are working, all of them. See, went out, back on.